Let's discuss sous vide immersion circulators. Sous vide cooking is a method of cooking food in a non-reactive pouch and heating that food to a gentle, exact temperature to ensure a consistent, repeatable result. Sous vide immersion cookers heat food and maintain a precise temperature using a PID controller. They feature a strong pump to circulate the water and ensure temperature uniformity throughout the bath. If you're not familiar with PID control, consider the cruise control in your car. No matter whether you're headed uphill or downhill, your car will maintain a speed that you had set. Likewise with the immersion circulator, whether you take food out of the bath or place food into the bath, the immersion cooker will keep the water at the exact temperature you had set. The Chef Series Immersion Circulator is our most popular and the gold standard of professional kitchens. It has a sleek design and an intuitive interface. The Classic Series Immersion Circulator was the one that changed professional kitchens forever. It's most known for its robust stainless steel design. The Classic Integrated System features a Classic Series Immersion Circulator and a handmade stainless steel basin with drain port and lid. Setting up an immersion circulator is simple. First, attach the unit to any temperature-safe basin using the clamp on the rear of the unit. Ensure that that basin is filled sufficiently with water. Dial in your desired cooking temperature and make sure to cover that basin with a lid.